Tia Adriana's summer chicken salad. It's delicious and comes together quickly. Stay tuned for the full recipe and one little secret that keeps it fresh. Hola amigos, welcome back to Tex-Mex at Home. Today we're making Tia Adriana's summer chicken salad, which features fruit and pecans for a unique flavor. You can find the complete recipe and ingredients at texmexathome.com. The link is in the description. Now let's get started. This recipe serves approximately 4 to 6 people. For today we will need 2 cups of cooked chicken shredded, 1 teaspoon of salt, half a teaspoon of black pepper, half a cup of Greek yogurt, 3 tablespoons of mayo, 1 cup of grapes cut in half, 1 cup of pecans cut into small pieces, and optional, 2 teaspoons of fresh lime juice. Step 1. Start with your chicken. We set our heat to medium and add the chicken and cook it for about 20 minutes or until it's easy to shred. Once the chicken is cooked, shred it into fine tender pieces. The finer the shred, the creamier your salad. While it's still warm, sprinkle in your salt and pepper and give it a good toss so every strand is seasoned. If you're new here, hit like and subscribe. It helps us keep the recipes coming. In a small bowl, stir together the yogurt and mayo until it's smooth and creamy. That's it, simple, light, and keeps the chicken salad feeling fresh and avoids the heaviness of using table cream or more mayonnaise. We're ready to bring it all together. Add your creamy mayo and yogurt dressing, half grapes, and pecans right into the shredded chicken. Fold everything gently until it's well mixed and every bite is coated. Fun fact, chicken salad has been around in the US since the 1860s, and the classic version almost always has celery in it for crunch. But on the border, my family never really used celery. We reached for pecans instead. They grow all over Texas and northern Mexico, and that's the crunch you'll taste today. Same idea, our Tex-Mex way. Let's taste it and adjust for salt and pepper if needed. And there you have it, Tia Adriana's chicken salad summer recipe. Cool and creamy, perfect for spreading onto bread or at a party as an appetizer with crackers. Now, we want to hear from you. What is your favorite summer recipe? Drop it in the comments below. Remember to hit like and subscribe and tap the notification bell so you never miss a new Tex-Mex recipe. Now, it's time to try it. Perfect for summer. I'll see you in the next one. Hasta luego.